What's up guys, this is your man Gitk once again, and today I'm going to show you how to use the quick retouch action. So quickly, all you have to do is duplicate your background layer. So you're going to do that with Ctrl+J, and then the reason for doing this is to help you take out the blemishes on the skin. Yes, but I don't want to make this video too long for you, so we are going to skip that aspect and then quickly move to clicking our quick retouch action. So you can get this available on my store. It's going for a cool price, and also we are running a 30% discount for the whole of this October. So take your chances and then grab it. It's going to really help you. So just give it a single click and then you wait for it to load. Yes, so it's going, your PC fastness or speed would determine how fast this thing is going to load. Yes, so you have to just be patient and then just wait for it to do its work. So once it's done, you realize it comes with a pop-up message saying use the brush tool to paint over the skin. Yes, and then that's our name, Gitk Photography. So when it gets here, you have to click on continue. Yes, so if you click on continue, the action will automatically select your brush tool for you, and then you make sure the settings, everything is on 100. You can choose to lower the flow depending on how you want the effect to be very intensified. Yes, so in here we are going to use the soft round brush. Make sure our hardness on 0 and then use a reasonable size. So you can choose to zoom in or zoom out and do the brushing. So obviously you're going to paint on the brush, you're going to paint on the skin. Yes, so it's simple, and the reason why it's called a quick retouch action is because you can retouch tons of images within a second. Yes, or very fast, and not going through the whole process all over again. Yes, so the reason for me doing this tutorial is because there's a trick in using this and how to perfect your retouching using this quick retouch action. Yes, so you make sure when you get to the edges you don't overdo it, so you can increase our brush size and paint over this aspect. So you can realize the skin is smoothing. When I'm done, I'm going to do a before and after for you guys to see. So same applies to the hand. So guys, when you're about to use this action, please take out your blemishes first to make your work very neat. I didn't want to make this video long, that's why I didn't do that. Yes, so let's check for the before and after. Before and after. So once you are done using the brush, you can still enhance it more using the lasso tool. So you can find your lasso tool over here, then make sure the feather is somewhere above 15. So you can use 20, 18, but 18 works perfectly for me, so I'm going to recommend this for you. So once you are done selecting the lasso tool, select around the skin. So we are going to do it bit by bit. So the forehead first, and then once you are done, go to filter and go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and then you can increase the blur radius. Yes, sorry, so before you do this, you don't have to do this on the layer mask. Yes, so you see one of the mistakes, you don't have to do the Gaussian blur on the layer mask. Open the group and then select the skin layer, and then apply the Gaussian blur on it, else it's not going to work. Yes, so let's do it again. Go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and then you input a blur radius of your choice, but somewhere within 20 to 30 works perfectly. So I'm going to use 30 for this, and then click on OK, and then click somewhere else and select a different part of the skin. But this time you are not going to filter anymore. You can just right click and get it over here. It's going to be applied. So you are going to do this to all parts of the skin or where you want to apply it. Yes, so that is how you enhance the skin using this retouching action. Yes, so maybe let's say if you retouch a highlight, or if you apply it to a highlight and you want to reduce the effect, you can just right click again, come to fade Gaussian blur, and then reduce the opacity of the effect you applied it over the side. So you see when I'm turning it down, you can see it's showing. When I turn it 100, you see the effect over there. So you reduce it a little. Yes, And mostly when you're applying it to the nose, make sure you reduce the opacity. Yes. So Gaussian blur, you see I flattened the nose, which is not nice, so reduce the effect over there. Yes, and so on and so forth. So we are going to apply it all over the skin. Yeah, so make sure you, and when you are using the lasso tool, make sure you avoid the edges. Yes, to avoid bringing in different colors into the skin. Yeah, so I'm going to do same for here. You can even avoid the necks and stuff because you can see it's already smoothing out if you zoom in. Yes, so let me zoom in for you so you can see the quality of it. So the reason for all this is because I didn't take out blemishes before applying the action. Yeah, so this is our before and after. Before and after. So you could see this is very effective, and it's going to save you time than doing the frequency separation using the mixer brush. I also have a video explaining that down below, so you can go check it out. And also, if you want this whole action pack, that's the advanced git kit retouching pack, make sure to check the link in description over there, and then go to our digital store and then purchase it. It's going for a cool price, and also we are running a 30% discount on our store from now to the 25th of October. Yes, so guys, you can go grab this offer, yes, and take up your chances. So this is where I end today's tutorial, and I'm sure this action is going to help you in your retouching journey. So this is your man Git K once again. Peace out.